How to get Bybit physical card. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to get physical card on Bybit. So after you open the Bybit app on your mobile phone, go to your profile at the top left side. So after you go to your profile like this, so the next thing to do, now you tap on this all services. After you select the all services button, so the next thing to do, now you tap on this search and search for card. Now select the card. So after you select the card, as you can see now, here is the option. So as if you look at this option, as you can see now you have two cards. So the first one, it says virtual, and the second one, it says physical. So if you want to get the physical card, this one, so the next thing to do, you just scroll to down and tap on this view my application. So after you select the view my application button, so the next thing to do, so now you tap on this option. Now confirm this terms and condition. So now you confirm this. After you confirm this terms and condition, then you tap on this submit button. So go to submit. If you tap on this submit button, so from there now it will ask you which card do you want. Do you want like physical card or virtual card? After you select the card you want to use, and from there they'll give you the amount they'll charge you for the card. After you paid for the amount, make sure you have the amount in USDT on your account. So after they detected you the amount, from there they'll ask you for your address. After you give them your address and the country where you're located, so from there they'll give you the date where the exact date they will deliver your card for you. So just you have to just monitor the date and wait for the deliberation for your card. And that's it, guys, on how to get physical cards on Bybit. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe.